It's a nice day today. Low humidity, sun's out.
Yep.
I can't complain.
One more tomorrow?
Part of the day.
Slightly.
And part of that equation too. Not as sunny, not as comfortable, so a little more humidity, but still pretty dry for most of us. We do have to at least get you prepared for that. So planning ahead, let me tell you what you can expect. First off, we're looking for a pop-up thunderstorm, a possibility of 30% chance there. Then on Friday, showers and a few thunderstorms as well, mainly in the morning. That's a 30% shot, so we should be all right there. And then as we're going towards Saturday, that's when we could see at least another chance. First portion of the day, and then they could pop up maybe very late. So a lot of the daytime hours over these next 3 days are looking pretty good, especially tomorrow, most of Friday, and even most of Saturday. It's Sunday and Monday that we've already earmarked as alert days, and that's why you see them, correction, not alert days, I should say impact days, because we're not looking for severe weather, but we are looking for scattered thunderstorms. Unlikely, but a better coverage. And also some of those heavier downpours could give us over an inch of rain for some of us. So this is a perfect opportunity to invite you to download the KMBC 9 News app to get all that weather information no matter where you are, in front of the TV or out and about. Because it looks like a pretty nice weekend for the most part, at least the first half. Check out the forecast for tomorrow. 64 in the morning, afternoon high of 85 degrees with that sunshine being gobbled up a little bit by the clouds. And then by the afternoon hours, a couple of thunderstorms could be popping up. High temperature above normal at 85 with the north wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And still about the same on Friday. We'll still see a chance of some of those showers and thunderstorms in the morning hours, and the temperature just as warm at about 85. Saturday, thunderstorms still 86, but look at the mornings, also getting warmer. Middle 60s to start, getting closer to 70 degrees for the morning temperature, so you know the afternoon will start to warm up quite a bit, especially the second half of the 9-day forecast, as it may be feeling like 90 degrees and then some. Here's a look at First Alert Future Scan, though. I'm skipping ahead to talk more about those chances of rain that'll be moving in. This is now looking at about Sunday at midnight. Pre-dawn on Sunday, here comes the rain coming in from the south and southwest, spreading across the area, kind of dragging its feet, because now we're at 5 in the evening on Sunday and still a few pockets of showers and thunderstorms around. Is it drying out pre-dawn Sunday? Not really. Morning commute still looks like some lighter showers, then the heavier moving down toward the Ozarks, toward Columbia and Jefferson City. Another wave moves down toward us, and that'll give us another opportunity for those heavier amounts of rain coming through on Monday evening. And when it's all done, some areas could pick up a good inch to an inch and a half of rainfall, some even getting over 2 inches of rain. But as you see here in Maryville, the top honors there at 2.2 inches of moisture. Then the rest of the 9-day forecast, after those 2 impact days, thunderstorms still a possibility on Tuesday, but it's not as many, mainly in the morning. I want you to look at the temperatures, though. Starting at 70 in the morning, afternoon highs getting close to 90 degrees. There's your summertime heat, and the humidity. We can't shake that at that time either.